Going back over the book I released in 2015, Algorithmic Trading Systems. Let's take a look. You can go to eBooks, Algorithmic Trading Systems, and you see a description of the book here, and it includes some open code from Chapter 6. And I want to show you the latest performance summary because it's at equity peaks for this book. And so if you take a look here, this is gap fill in reverse crude oil, trading one contract, going back to 9/5/2006, the beginning of electronic data in crude oil, 106,230, average trade profit 116.61, max drawdown of 59.90, and you see the recent equity peaks here in this strategy. So if you're looking for a strategy, if you're still wondering what works in this market, you have evidence that here is a book that was released in 2015, and the code is in the book, and you can forward test what's in the book and see. It's also on Amazon. You can get it on my website. There's also a multi-contract version of this, and you can see the most recent trade, trading one contract, and then if you trade two contracts, the first one has a profit target, and then the second one has holds it till the end of the day. And so here is the performance summary of the multi-contract version. This trades two contracts every time, and so 1 unit of this would be two contracts. 1 unit of most systems is one contract, but 1 unit of this is two contracts. The first one has a profit target, the second one holds it till the end of the day. And so sometimes you lose on both, sometimes you win on one and lose on the other. And here are the performance stats for this. And keep in mind this is based on a two contract trading system, and the average trade profit is not necessarily divided by two because they have different exit points. And so this is the gap fill in reverse multiple exit strategy, and these are some strategies that we've talked about here recently, a month or two ago. And nice smooth equity curve since October of 2019, even in spite of negative crude oil prices. Let's go back and take a look at what it did during low and negative crude oil prices. In May 4th, there was a short trade, hit a profit target here. Second one got out at the end of the day. This one hit a profit target, exit at the end of the day on April the 28th, and this was a long trade. And you see longs and shorts. It didn't trade down in this level. It didn't trade down in these levels. It did trade up here after the rebound. And so this is how it did. It did well during what was a difficult trading period in crude. And if you have a TradeStation account, you could not have traded the front month. You could have traded the further month out, and margins were higher at that time. So in spite of all that, the margins are back to normal levels, and this strategy has a proven track record, as you can find in the book, the out of sample code for that. So that is Algorithmic Trading Systems, and you can go to algorithmictradingsystems.com and get the ebook at the bottom of the page. Learn more about it. I have not updated this page in a long time, so some of the stuff on here is old. So this is some of the latest information for this book.